Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to make password protected folder. First of all, create a new folder. Then open that folder and create a new text document. Copy the text and paste it in the new document. Now find this text and enter the password you want. Make sure to leave an empty space between the equal mark and the password. Now go to File and click Save As. Change the file type to All Files and enter the file name, and at the end enter .bat and save it. Now exit the text document and open the BAT file. Open the new folder and place the files you want to protect. After doing that, go back and open the BAT file. It will ask you if you want to lock the folder. Type Y and tap enter. Now open the BAT folder and type the password you entered to make sure it works. If it works, open the BAT folder again and enter Y to lock it.